What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Gala. As you guys may or may not know, it did hit the 6 cents target very early this morning, as you guys can see, and right now it has dropped back down in value. So where is it heading to next? Is it going to go back up above the 6 cents target? Is it going to drop below 5 cents? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, but essentially looking at its next target. Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it just time to hold on to it? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its short-term prediction and long-term prediction. So that will cover both long-term and short-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market has more or less fluctuated over the last 24 hours. However, Gala hasn't done that. It has gone for a major increase in value in the last hour. Yes, it has dropped 2%, but as you can see, over the last 24 hours, it pumped up over 30%, guys, hitting 0.0630, so hitting over 6 cents in target, which we have all been waiting for. But it's slowly starting to take a dip right now, which was expected, because obviously after a huge pump, you would expect the crypto to take a little dip before it pumps back up in value. So over the week 11%, and over the month a massive 227%, guys. So 2023 so far has been absolutely great for Gala. As you can see, in the first 2 weeks of it, 2023 is gone nearly 200%, and right now it's still going up in value. It did hit, let's have a look here, 276% very early this morning, but it is slowly starting to drop. Over the last 24 hours, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 311%, making it $802 million in trading, so nearly hitting that $1 billion mark, which it was about 2 weeks ago. The trading volume for Gala was $1 billion, until it took a little dip below the 5 cents target, and right now it's pumped back up. So let's have a look at its next target. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using right now to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala, which is here in purple at 0.04820. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in red at 0.05498, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. Again, not slightly, but it is looking very deep, and as you can see, it's very steep as well, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing these two lines going in a negative direction is because of the drop that's been taking place quite consistently over the last 8 to 10 hours, as you guys can see here, consistently dropping in value. So the graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep dropping, is going to keep going down in value. However, that's not what I'm expecting. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Gala to go back above the 6 cents target. Again, right now it is dropping, but again, it's very likely that it's going to slowly and steadily start to gain value, heading upwards above the 6 cents target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking negative, still looking bearish. Again, the only reason is the last couple of hours, but again, that's not what I'm predicting. Over the next couple of days, so let's say towards the end of next week, over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Gala to slowly and steadily start to pick back up in value, heading towards the 7 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. But again, you guys know Gala is very unpredictable. You can literally, it's full of surprises, guys. You can literally hit 7 cents over the next 24 to 48 hours as well. But what I'm saying is, because as you can see, it's hit 6 cents and it's straight away dropped back down in value, we don't want to see that. What we essentially want to see is for it to hit the 6 cents target and stay above the 6 cents target. We don't want it to randomly pump out of nowhere and then drop back down in value. That's not really sustainable. We want it to go up in a slow and steady process, and over the next 7 days I'm expecting that Gala should be able to head above the 7 cents target and stay above 7 cents as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks not looking bullish or bearish. We literally got both the blue and the orange line straight, flat out, going in a straight line. So again, an overall fluctuation in value is what is meant to take place over the next couple of weeks from Gala. So let's say by mid-March to late March 2023, according to the graph, they should be staying around the 5 to 6 cents target. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting Gala to be hitting about 14 to 15 cents over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Again, yes, it may seem like it's a major increase. However, it is possible, especially if it keeps going at a pace like it has been since the start of the year. And if we can maintain that green side, then we can definitely be able to hit the 15 cents target by mid to late March, and mid to late April we should be heading towards the 20 cents target. But again, this depends on the crypto market conditions. For example, if there's a major crypto crash or a bull run, or if Gala goes for a major partnership, that can have a potential positive impact, just like how they had a partnership with The Rock that had a very, very big impact on Gala. As you can see, major increases here. That was due to their partnership with The Rock, and if they do manage to secure another partnership, then yes, we may see more increases in value. But again, that's what I'm here for, to keep you guys updated on the market, what to expect, what to predict. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head into the green zone or hit the resistance target. However, I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target of 20 cents by mid-year, and potentially in the second half of the year we should be trading in the green zone. So breaking out from the resistance target here, heading into the green zone in the second half of the year, and towards the very end of the year I'm expecting us to head towards the 50 cents target, which will be in the blue zone here. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Gala, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well on a daily basis. So make sure you turn the bell notifications on to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Gala, guys. If your expectations or your predictions for Gala have changed, let me know in the comment section down below your end of year target for this crypto. How high can this crypto go? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And also, it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out and hit the subscribe button, and let's try and hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.